Today we'll talk about how can you find family members on your Remit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Remit app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. You just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on this sign, so you just click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on family members here. You just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all family members. So I have nothing here, but if you have it, you will find here your family members here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.